Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and you have completed all the worksheets which was given to you. So, can you tell me what is the time? Time. To pause the time we need a clock. Yes or no? We need a clock. So today we will learn about the time. And today we will also learn how to draw a clock. And today we will also learn how to watch time. Okay? So now, look at the board everyone and focus here. We will learn how to draw a clock. Number one, first draw a circle. Then, first we will draw a circle. Right. Then at the top of it, right here. What will write here? 12. Okay, write here 12. And in front of 12, we will write here 6. Correct? Now, means you will measure half of this line. Means suppose this is the half, it will be this side will write 3 and this side will write 9. Correct? Is it clear to you? Okay. Then here we will write 1. Here we will write 2. 3 we have done already we have done. Here we will write 4. Then 5. 6 is done. 7. And 8. 9 is here. 10 and 11. Like this we will write the number. Then am I missing anything here? Am I missing anything? Yes, because any clock has hands also. As we have 2 hands, in the same way clock has also hands, right? But clock as we have 2 hands, but both of our hands are equal. Isn't it? But in the clock, there are 2 hands. One is long and one is short. Look here, I am drawing here hands. So now we will learn how to draw hands. But before drawing the hand, you have to. So now we will learn how to draw hands. But before drawing the hand, you have to point the center. So now we will learn how to draw hands of the clock. So before drawing the hands of the clock, we have to find the center of the clock. Means center of this circle. Where? Is center will be here? Is it? Will center be here? No. So first we are going to learn what is how to we draw center. So center is a point in a circle. From that point, all means distance of the circumference will be same. Means this is circumference. Like suppose this is a circle. Okay. Means center will be in the middle of the circle. From this point, all distance will be equal. Means suppose from this point to this distance of this curved line, this to this. Okay? You cannot draw center here, right? Okay. So now I am pointing a point here. This is a point, and now means one more thing. Now here 2 hands are there. So one hand is long hand, and the second hand is short. So long hand is called what? Can you tell me long hand is called? Long hand is called minute hand. Okay, long hand. This is long hand. Second one is short hand. Two hands. There are 2 hands. Short hand is pointing 9. Long hand is pointing 12. Can you tell me the time now? So look here. Okay, students, now we will do an activity. So everyone raise your hand. As I am raising this hand, I have raised hand fully. So it is a long hand. Yes or no? Long. This is short. Long hand, short hand. Long hand. Long hand is also known as minute hand. Okay. Minute hand. And this is short hand, and short hand is also known as hour hand. Okay, means long hand is minute hand, short hand is hour hand. So now let's do it one more time. Now I will not say long hand and short hand. Now I will say minute hand and hour hand. Okay. Now show me minute hand. This is minute hand. No, this is minute hand. Hour hand, minute hand, hour hand, minute hand, hour hand. This is hour hand, and this is minute hand.
The clock has two hands. The short hand is the hour hand, and the long hand is the minute hand. When the hour hand points to a number on the clock, and the minute hand points to 12. The time is read by saying the number followed by o'clock, 9. Meanwhile, the minute hand is pointing to 12. Hence, the time is read as 9 o'clock.
Okay. Now we will learn how to read the time. Before reading the time, we should keep some important points in our mind. Those I am telling you, look here. There are few steps you have to follow. The first step is check the hour hand. We will check our hand. Second step, check minute hand. Check the minute hand. This is the minute hand. Okay, minute hand is pointing to 12, right? Number third step is tell the time. Tell the time. Okay. So look at this now. First, we will check the hour hand. So hour hand is pointing to 3. Look at this. Then second step is check the minute hand. Minute hand is pointing 12. Isn't it clear? So now what is the time? We will say 12 o'clock. No, we will take that number where is short hand. Okay, where is hour hand is pointing. Hour hand is pointing to 3, so we will take here 3. So time is 3 o'clock. What is the time? Time is 3 o'clock. So this 3 o'clock can also be written like this. Have you ever checked the time in your mobile phone? So in digital clock, 3 o'clock will be shown like this. 3, first we write 3. For o'clock you make 2 zeros. Okay. Look at this. Now tell me the time. First we will check the hour hand. Where is hour hand? Hour hand is pointing to 9. And second step is we will check the minute hand. Where is minute hand? minute hand is pointing to 12. Right? So now tell me the time. Time will be 9 o'clock. We will take the number where short hand is pointing. So time is 9 o'clock, and 9 o'clock can also be written in digital clock like this. 9, then I hope you understood this thing. Now come to the second question. Draw all our and minute hand. Right? These are the clocks are drawn there. Two clocks are there. In first question there is 7 o'clock. So now tell how do we draw? Means how do we draw hands here? So look at this. What is the time? Time is 7 o'clock. So now we know how to watch time. So now tell we will have to draw your two hands. One is hour hand, one is minute hand. So now tell to show 7 o'clock we will draw short hand pointing to 7. Okay. Then we will draw long hand pointing to 12. Okay. In this second question, we have to draw hour hand and minute hands. Right? So how do we draw minute hand and hour hand? So look at this clock and look at the time. Time is 7 o'clock. As we know all these three steps, okay, we know, means we check the hour hand, then the minute hand, then tell the time. Now time is given there, this thing is there, we have to find these two things, okay, hour and minute hand, where they will be. So look at this is 7 o'clock, so for two we will draw one hour hand pointing to 7, and we will draw minute hand pointing to 12. Keep in your mind that both hands will not be equal. Okay, our hand will be short and minute hand will be long, as we have done the activity also. So look at this clock. Now pause the video and draw the hands of the clock. Pause it. I hope you have completed this question. So now have you drawn the hands of this clock? Yes or no? No. So look at it. I am telling you. What is the time? Time is 5 o'clock. So we will draw short hand pointing to 5. Then we will draw long hand pointing to 12. Okay. So now this is 5 o'clock. Okay. I hope you have learned all the concepts which I told you. And so now I will send you a worksheet on the WhatsApp group. You will have to solve that worksheet. Okay. Okay. Bye.